Welcome to the second episode of Marketing Moments. My name is Larry Johnson, and I am the District 115 Club Growth Director. Videos are a great way to show off your club. They give a wonderful visual presentation, and they often work better than email or just a plain text social media post. Videos can engage future Toastmasters, and hopefully they would want to become a member of your club. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a brief video clip using Zoom. As a matter of fact, I'm using this function on Zoom right now. With Zoom, you can create videos in a snap. Enjoy this tutorial. This is how you can create a clip that you can use for marketing purpose by using Zoom. First, open Zoom, and it should look like this. Of course, your background may look slightly different. And if you're using another type of computer, such as an IBM computer, or even your cell phone or tablet, it may look slightly different. But these basic steps should work on any type of device. So as I mentioned before, open Zoom. Next, go to the tabs and click Clips. You can also find clips by clicking these three dots with the word More under it, and you may find it here. Once you click Clips, then go to Record Clip. You will see maybe a video just of yourself. But if you click here, as I'm doing, you can have a video of yourself as well as the window that you're trying to demonstrate. You can just do screen share only, or just do a video only. Once again, if you click one of these buttons here, this will give you screen share and video, screen share only, or video only. Next, over here, this is where you would want to type in the title of your clip. Clip example. Next, you want to choose your microphone. In my case, I'm choosing the MacBook Pro microphone, but since I have more than one, I can choose others. Next, choose the type of camera. I'm going to stick with the FaceTime HD camera, which is on my computer. But once again, if you have more than one camera that you are connecting to through your network or to your computer, you can choose another one. Lastly, you just want to choose the type of video that you want. So if you wanted 1080p, you can choose that, 720p, or 360p. I'm going to click here, and this will take you to the advanced settings. If you click this over here, this will give you backgrounds. You can also include avatars too. Let's click back. You can also do a touch up your appearance, like I'm doing here. Or you can also adjust for low light if you want to do that. Also, you can suppress noise, especially noise background, and if you want it to be stereo audio. After you set your settings, next you want to click just start recording, which I'm going to do here. It will count down and it will start recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will stop it. It will create your video, and depending on the size of your video, it may take a little bit of time, or it may take a short period of time. So once again, that depends on the size of your video. You can trim your video if you want to do it here, but if you want to be extra fancy, it's always best to use some type of software. You can also listen to your video. And it will start recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will let you kind of give you a preview of it. Next, you can add description if you want to. So I'm going to write, this is an example. And then you can also do tags which are generated by AI if you want to do that as an example. Over here, there's a little bit more information if you want to, but probably the most important part is downloading this clip. When you download it, you can upload it to any social media video platform, such as YouTube. You can also share it, your clip. So all you have to do is just copy the link, and you can send it to anyone that you like. Or you can also share it on your social media account or your club social media account. Embed means that you can just embed it into a website and the video will be there. Once you're done with your video will be stored in your catalog, as you can see here. Those are the simple steps on how to record a clip. And once again, a clip can be a useful marketing tool, especially for very short videos when you are trying to grow your club. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. And I also hope that you will experiment with clips so you can make short videos that will wow your audience, which are future members of your club. Thank you for taking the time to view the second episode of Marketing Moments, and I will see you another time.